As is the case with many building products, Trusscore products must be acclimatized to the surrounding environment prior to installing them. It's an important step to make sure your installation is successful. The first step in acclimatizing your product is to move it into the project area. For larger projects like commercial or agricultural spaces, take care if using a forklift to move the product, as the vehicle's forks can cause unwanted damage. Small projects typically involve the handling of individual panels, while larger product quantities are often palletized and wrapped. In any case, you'll want to loosen or remove any packaging material that could restrain the product while it's acclimatizing, allowing it to freely expand or contract. Make sure to rest the product on a clean, flat, level surface to help eliminate any warping or damage while the product acclimatizes. If your panels are on a pallet, leaving them on the pallet while acclimatizing is recommended. It's ideal to leave the product in the installation area for at least 24 hours to give the product enough time to acclimate to its new environment. Finally, prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause exposed panels to expand differently than those in the shade. Avoiding sun exposure will help prevent differences in panels. For more helpful installation tips, videos, and guides, visit Trusscore.com/install.